The Peshmerga Language Center is an incredibly important development, an important small contribution to Peshmerga reform. By learning foreign languages, Peshmerga officers, Peshmerga personnel will have additional opportunities to study international military education training programs abroad in places like the United States and countries in Europe. And learning English, learning German, these are two world languages. So as military officers, knowing those languages is also incredibly important for having contact with, for communicating with foreign military officers. And we're now creating more interoperability among militaries around the world. So this lets the Peshmerga be a greater part of that. When it comes to support for the Peshmerga, we continue to provide assistance to develop the Peshmerga's capabilities. That includes equipment, training, other forms of assistance. I hope very much that continues well into the future. Thank you.